Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another try on haul video. So it's been a while since I brought to you guys a Fashion Nova try on haul. So if you want to see what it is that I picked up for spring, for comfortable, for chic, girl, stay tuned.
Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't want to die for them to miss me.
Okay dolls, now this is something you do not ever see me get. I always get clothes that are like really form-fitted, and I wanted to get something that was easy and breezy. I was inspired on my trip in Cancun as far as something that was different and just flowy. And although I love the way this looked, it didn't really fit me that well. As you saw in the back, it kind of bunched up. I could not get this over my hips and it was short. So what I ended up doing was cutting the shorts, and it ended up becoming a dress for me, which was something I was then able to pull over my head to get on over my body because of me having larger hips and this not being super stretchy. I had to do it that way. So look, I think it's very sexy with your back being out as well as your chest. You don't have to wear a bra if you tie it a certain kind of way in the front. It's really adorable. I do recommend it. However, this does not come in plus size, so you have to be mindful of that. I'll put all my measurements down below in the box. That way you can compare my measurements to yours, and this may or may not work for you. I did get this in a size large. Honestly, it still did not really work out for me. But it does scream perfect for spring, and it does scream perfect for vacation wear, and I would recommend it if it can fit. Okay, next I have another outfit that I really wanted something just, again, easy and breezy, something flowy, something different than I normally get. I was really attracted to the simplicity of this particular pant. It's like a wide leg pant, but because of all of my hips and all of my booty and all of my thigh, it was tight. So I did not like the way it looked on me. However, if you aren't so hippie, I would say get this look. It does have enough stretch so it fits you comfortably. For me, it was a little bit baggier on the top because my top, I'm like a true pear shape. It's smaller than my bottom, so the top didn't fit that well. I did get this in an extra large, and it just wasn't that great fitting for me because there is stretch in it. But again, if you're not super hippie, then I would say it's true to size. Just for me, it didn't work out because I'm really big on the bottom and smaller on the top. So I think this is super adorable. I was gonna wear both looks with a pair of yellow shoes, which, by the way, if you guys want to see me do a shoe haul or something like that, these are the heels that I got from Fashion Nova that I really wanted to rock with both looks. I think something with the mustard bright yellow with the blue, it just really pops it true to size. This is called So Sleek Heel by Maria, or So Sleek Heel Maria. Got this in a beautiful, beautiful color yellow. But yeah, that was what I was thinking of when I picked out these two looks. I wanted something, because I'm doing a lot of vacations this year, that I can just throw on and be completely dressed. But unfortunately, for my body size and for my shape, these did not work. But they're really chic. So if you can fit them, I would say totally recommend them. And this particular one, I got in extra large. All right, so of course, I thought about vacation. I thought about spring. I want something that I can wear on the beach. Not always do you want to walk around in just your bathing suit, and not always do you want to just wear just a long jacket or like a robe type of deal. So I looked at these pants. I thought they're super sexy. They're super flattering. Even with all my cellulite and everything else, guys, I was able to wear this and feel confident and comfortable because it basically smooths you out. It fit really nice. I got this in an extra large. Go back on the website to see if they have other colors because I really adore these. So it's completely sheer all the way down. It's wide leg. They're nice and long. They have the cute ruffle detail, which I think looks really good, especially when you're on the beach because of the wind. So if you want to be extra, you want to be sexy, but you want to be covered and comfortable, then girlfriend, go ahead and pick up a pair of these. Now, kind of going back to the whole comfortable look, y'all, I'm in love with just easy basics. So I like this top because it's just really small. It's easy to pack. You just throw it on. It's super cute. I think it's really flattering because it covers your back rolls. You can wear it with a bra, without a bra. Either way, it looks good. It feels good because it's stretchy and it's super basic, meaning you can wear it with almost anything. So as you can see, I paired it with my army fatigue pants. I paired it with the see-through pants. You can wear it with a bodycon skirt. I wore it before with jeans. It's just super cute, and you can wear it with almost anything. And I want this shirt in every single color. One of those staples that I think every baddie should have. Okay, next. So this is running a little big, but I didn't mind it because I wanted these pants. I wanted this set for comfortable. So I always try to shop with multi-purpose in mind. So I really do adore coordinates, like when there's two pieces in the set, because you can wear either or you can wear them together. Insert a picture of when I wore this. I wore this just running errands. It's so easy just to throw on, but because it's a set, it looks cute. I do adore it. It does run a little big, but that's okay because they are sweatpants basically. I love the bottoms because they're not wide. They're actually joggers, so that's how they are. They're scrunchy on the bottom. So I really do like this. I got this in a size 1X. I think I could have sized down and been comfortable. If you get it in your true size, it may be a little big, but again, it's nothing that looks bad or horrible. So it's all about being comfortable. It's all about being convenient, and I think this outfit did just that. Okay, and last, I have this bad boy that I have on. I really adore comfortable things lately, y'all. Like, it's not even funny how when I get dressed, I don't want to have to think about it. I just want to throw it on. So with this particular set, I love it because it is a coordinate. Again, I can wear just the top, I can wear the bottom, I can mix and match, wear them together. This particular outfit is not see-through, which I adore because a lot of times some of the bottoms, when they're stretchy, they're see-through and you can see like your underwear, you can see like your booty cheeks. So I really adore that this set is not see-through. The only thing I can say is that I'm kind of tall for a woman. I'm 5'6½", and this particular pant just goes down, but it doesn't reach my ankle because of how high up I like to wear my pants. So I usually just wear them as like pedal pushers, like in the middle of my calf or right above my ankles, and it looks cute still because I usually wear them with sneakers. This particular set is long sleeve, which I like a lot because I have them go down to my hand. It's really comfortable. It is a true drawstring in the top and in the bottom, so you can pull it tight or you can loosen it. There is a hoodie, so when I had this on, it did start to drizzle and rain, so I was able to use that to protect my hair. Just all in all, this particular outfit is super comfortable. It's super cute. You just throw it on, throw on some trainers or sneakers or whatever, and you're out the door. So 100% recommend this set. I'm gonna go back online, get them in the other colors. The sizing detail, I'm not sure. I think I got this in a 1X, but I'll put all the details down below in the box again. That way you guys can go ahead and order it. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Be sure that you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what it is you think about these looks. Y'all, I tried something new this time with some different clothes, as far as not always getting body conscious clothes or clothes that have a lot of stretch. Some of them worked out, as you saw, some of them not too much. Be sure if you do shop Fashion Nova, you use my coupon code, which is Crystal Chanel. That way, you dolls can save some coins off of your looks. I love bringing you dolls coupon codes. I love bringing you new looks. Let me know down below with a comment what your favorite look from today was. Also, let me know any feedback that you have with your experience with Fashion Nova. And of course, if you guys don't already subscribe to this channel, be sure that you do. I also have other channels, like my vlog channel, my fitness channel. I'll put down below in the comment box. If you haven't followed me on Instagram and Snapchat, also be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. That's really it. I want to thank you dolls as always for supporting me. Be sure that you like this video, you share this video, and you comment any place else you want me to do a try on haul for, because this is something I love to do for you dolls. That's really it, ladies. I want to thank you again for being there and rocking with your girl. And as always, I hope you stay fabulous and stay fierce.